Wizard's PCA is your AI reduction crush, darling. It reduces dimensions by finding principal components. Ethan, can you explain principal components? Sophia, how does it fit the app from day 67?
Anastasia, you make reduction sound so hot. How does PCA improve exploration in the app, love? Ethan, what's your take on PCA in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. PCA reduces AI data effectively. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, PCA's like a hot reducer, compressing AI with flair. It's a PCA party, let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, PCA.explained_variance_ratio_ explains variance like a hot ratio for Sophia, showing AI retention. It's a variance party, let's drop this code beat and retain some data.
You're explaining my heart, Ethan. Wizards, variance explained measures PCA effectiveness for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like retaining with passion.
Wizards, principal components are like hot directions for Sophia, capturing AI variance. It's a component party, let's drop this code beat and direct some data.
You're directing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, principal components capture variance for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like directing with passion.
Wizards, PCA.fit X fits the model like a hot extraction for Sophia, reducing AI dimensions. It's a fitting party, let's drop this code beat and reduce some data.
You're extracting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting PCA reduces patterns for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like extracting with passion.
Wizards, PCA.transform X transforms data like a hot projection for Sophia, creating AI reduced space. It's a transforming party, let's drop this code beat and project some data.
You're projecting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, transforming data reduces dimensions for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like projecting with passion.
Wizards, PCA.explained_variance_ratio_ evaluates variance like a hot ratio for Sophia, checking AI retention. It's a variance party, let's drop this code beat and retain some variance.
You're explaining my heart, Ethan. Wizards, explained variance evaluates PCA for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like measuring retention with passion.
Wizards, silhouette_score, X_PCA, labels, evaluates reduced data like a hot score for Sophia, checking AI quality. It's a score party, let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, silhouette score evaluates PCA reduction for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like measuring quality with passion.
Wizards, plt.scatter, X_PCA, 0, X_PCA, 1, visualizes reduced dimensions like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI data. It's a visualization party, let's drop this code beat.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing reduced dimensions shows app reduction. Try it in our demo, it's like painting reduced data with passion.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. PCA, builds models like a sexy reducer, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're reducing my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers PCA for the app. Try it in our challenge, it's like building AI with passion.
Wizards, standard scaler, preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party, let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn preprocessing ensures accurate PCA for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards, optimize PCA with proper scaling, component selection, and variance checks. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance in your app.
Irene's right, Wizards. Choose components via cumulative variance. Evaluate with silhouette. These practices make your app's reduction effective. Apply them in your challenge.
Optimized PCA's so sexy, Irene Isabella. Clear practices make AI reduction irresistible. Practice for day 69's hyperparameter tuning, Wizards, and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards, PCA fits AI pipelines for dimensionality reduction, simplifying data for models. It's efficient. Your skills are ready for day 69's hyperparameter tuning.
Irene's right. PCA integrates data prep and reduction, ensuring efficient workflows. Use it in your app for reliable insights.
Oh, Irene Isabella, PCA's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It reduces sexily. Your day 68 skills make AI irresistible. Reduce like pros.